And that is when it got serious. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, where'd they come up with some of these names? Prankster, Diva, Glitter Queen, Queen Bee, Purple Queen, Glitter Hoops MVP. What? Surfer Babe, Splash Queen, Rocker. Yeah. Alright, so there's three different of each head with different variations on them. They label them as popular, fancy, rare. There you can see, Queen Bee, popular. Purple Queen, fancy. The rare is the Glitter Hoops MVP. Although I think the popular ones are going to be the rare ones. Just saying. And then they hide them behind this plastic piece. And but wait! Dun dun dun. Pizzy, look what I found for you, man. So, yeah. We have the PEZ Book Vend Box. Let's go ahead and open up this Vend Box. There we go. So, try shining the light inside the head of the dispenser, holding it carefully behind the head at the candy pusher. This may reveal new discoveries inside the head. Okay. But what if I do this? Whoa, it's glowing! So cool! So I'm going to try to guess which one I have. The head is so tiny in there. Oh, wow. All right, I am going to guess. Let's see. See how it's kind of like a round ball there? Now, I'm going to guess that it's going to be one of these three. The Queen Bee, Purple Queen, or Glitter Hoops MVP. However, I'm not making out. Yeah, so I'm going to guess that's the one it's going to be, and I am going to guess Purple Queen. I want to go rare. I don't want to, or fancy. I want to go popular. I don't want to go rare. I don't want to go popular rare. I want fancy. Let's see if this shit's fancy or not. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if I can do any better now. Oh, wow. They made this box perfect for you not to be able to do a flashlight trick. But look there. Kind of looks like Mickey Mouse. So I'm going to say we're on the right track. Is that white paint? Out of control. All right. I'm going to pop this open. And we will see what is inside. All right. Did I get the... I don't know which one I got. No clue who you are. Well, it looks like... Okay, so I was right with saying it is one of them that looks like Mickey Mouse. So, Queen Bee... No, it looks to have glitter hair. And then Purple Queen, I'm going to guess is purple. Glitter Hoops... I don't see glitter. I don't know which one I have. And there's no insert. Just this. Well, I know this. I have one in only 750 more of these to open. And I'll have all 9. Woo! I had about 20 of these boxes full. Walgreens. Walgreens. Have no clue who you are, and have no clue who any of you are. But I do know this. This is interesting. It's going to aggravate people. But in the end, if you complete the set in the wild, that'd be fun. Lots of fun. Such a tiny head. Incredible Hulk has a bigger head than you. Hulk no light. Smash! Yeah! No feed Hulk for the win. So until next time.